Hello friends! Today we're going to draw Jerry. Jerry is no doubt the most famous mouse in the whole world for decades. Get your markers and paper ready. Let's bring Jerry to life on a canvas. Alright, let's get started. First, let's draw its nose. Now we move on to its mouth.
Did you know that Tom and Jerry have won 7 Academy Awards for their hilarious cartoons? That's more Oscars than some famous movie stars.
Jerry is often depicted without visible teeth in a cartoon. But in real life, mouth teeth are very special.
Mouse teeth are special because they never stop growing. This helps mice gnaw on various materials to keep their teeth from becoming too long.
Next, we're going to draw its eyes. Well done! Now we're going to outline its face. Let's continue to draw its ears.
Mouse ears are special because they are large and highly sensitive, allowing mice to hear a wide range of frequencies, including high-pitched sounds that humans can't detect. This keen sense of hearing helps them detect predators and communicate with other mice. Their ears also add to their adorable and recognizable appearance, making cartoon characters like Jerry even more charming and expressive.
Now repeat the same on the other side. Next, let's add eyebrows to its face. Eyebrows are very important for cartoon characters because they help express the emotions clearly. Well done! Now we have outlined Jerry. Let's color it in. We have also other videos drawing Groot, Buster Moon, Transformers, and so on. Remember to subscribe to our channels so that you don't miss out any new videos. Hooray! We've done Join Jerry! I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye!